Hello everybody, in this video tutorial we would like to demonstrate how you can turn on your Microsoft Surface, well, PC laptop device, call it however you want to. So currently, as you could already noticed, my device is completely shut down, so simply in order to power it on again, touch and hold at the side power key, and as you can see it boots right away. So I'll just wait for a little bit until it gets fully powered on, or fully enabled, fully activated, whatever. So, great success, I guess. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.